Hey guys, it's Dreadfire King, and today I'm going to show you how to make a super secret base. So, the things you will need are oak planks, netherite hoe, lever, redstone dust, sticky piston, torch, oak stairs, and a grass block. So step 1. Mine right in front of your tree, because you'll need a tree to find it. You can mine any side really, as a friend. Then mine underneath the tree. And place your lever underneath the tree. Then mine around the lever so that there's a circle around it. Then cover right in front of it with some grass, grass block. Then on the other parts that are open, put redstone dust. Then, after you've done this, mine 6 blocks of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then attach some redstone. Now, we want our piston doorway to be about 5 blocks long. Well, not 5, 4. So we mine 4, like that. And then we add our pistons. Make sure they're not angled up. So if you need to, mine another one of how long the pistons will be, and then add that. Then mine this if you haven't mined it, and then mine another one. Now add some grass blocks right in front of the pistons, and then turn the machine on. Yay! You've got your secret base. Now, grab some moss carpet if you haven't yet, and then cover your redstone stuff with it. Ta-da! You did it! Now, cover your piston stuff. Oopsies. Now you got our secret base. But now you're probably wondering, how do I access my lever? Well, just hold right in front and then crouch, and then you'll see your lever. Click on it and then go in. Make a stairwell down like that. And then add some stairs. Like that. So now we have some stairs. Then mine down, and then start mining your space. Okay, now add a torch. Also add a torch on the stairwell too. Then, now, how do we close it? Because, well, we're doing this, and then it's hidden, and then when we want to enter it, we gotta crouch under, and then open it. Yeah, done. But what if a guy is walking around, and we're inside, and he sees it open? Well, we can easily solve this problem. Find where your redstone quartz was, then find where your hole is. Then, right in front of it, mine down, or at least make it mine into the hole. Like that. And then add your lever. Make sure to add oh wait, no, you don't. So make sure that the redstone is connected. And then cover your stuff up. Now, you can hide in your secret base and then close the door. Easy peasy. Now nobody can find you. Now let's decorate. So, get rid of all your stuff. And then let's grab a bed, one bed, a crafting table, a chest, a furnace, and that should be about it. So first, place your crafting table down wherever you want, or place your bed and then place your crafting table behind it. Then add like 2 chests. I'd make a double chest on top, a double chest. And add your furnace. Now, we gotta add some weaponry. So, get a armor stand. And then get the armor. Get all the armor. So, I like diamond stuff. And then place down your armor stand. And then add the stuff. Now, and then grab your weapon. And then you can stock up your chest with whatever you'd like. Open up your thing. Oh no, it's nighttime. Let's sleep. And then you can sleep. When it's nighttime, you can open the door when it's daylight. Just you gotta be careful. If there's a player coming, you won't be able to see them coming because while you're underground. So now you have a secret base. But what happens if someone mines the tree and they see the redstone? Well, it's simple. If you want to protect your house, you have to make it look imitating, like there's a trap. So get some TNT and then just put it on the tree in some random spots. And this can also make it so you know which tree your house is. So that when a person is coming, they'll see the tree and they'll be like, nope, I'm leaving. So that is how you keep your tree safe. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And make sure to hit comment so I can know what I should do next or what I should improve. So, goodbye.